Welcome to another video from Kingsley School Bideford NESSY tutorial. We will see within that video how to navigate your NESSY profile. So I'll just access my NESSY reading and spelling and arrive on my home page. Within that home page, there's a few key buttons that we want to know about. The first one is my targets. So the target that's been set by the algorithm, I can find on the top left corner right there. I press that arrow and it will show my targets for reading and for spelling. Press OK to get out of it. Okay, that's the first one, the targets. The second thing that is within that page is your daily results, and that is within that little trophy. So if you click on that little trophy, it'll show how many minutes you've been learning today, how many words you spelled, word read, games passed, and so on. Just have to click on the screen to go back. From there, we can go to maybe the most important button of the all screen, and that's the call to action. That's the one with the little image that is jumping. So that's the one that really the pupil always have to press, because that's where the next task is always. So if I press that, it will take me to Island 2. And as you can see, now we are within the Island 2, still the same buttons, and the call to action is taking me to a video. Before I do that, I will show you the menu. The menu is very, very important for the adult, especially to help the younger ones, in a way that will show you which lesson they are on at the top here. It'll show you as well how many modules of that lesson the pupil have done. And then it will also show you the structure of the lesson. So it can be videos for that little one, or games and other strategy videos. And it'll just show you the chronology within, within the lessons being run. Then if, for example, you would like to repeat a video, which I would advise strongly to do every time that you start again, I think it's very good to go back and repeat the videos again and again and again. You just have to press on that little icon and the 2 strategy videos for that lesson will come up. If you'd like to redo a game, or if you'd like to jump to another game, you can press on that little icon and all the games will come up. The last icon is the one at the bottom right here, and that is the lesson plans, which are absolutely awesome, and I'll make a video just dedicated to it. But effectively, it is a world of resources that you can print and add no other dimension to NESSY. Let me close the menu. And the last button that's very important on that homepage is the Monkey Town button. Monkey Town is the reward system. So the pupils are watching the videos, playing the game, getting some nuggets, as you can see right here. So I've got 160 nuggets. And to spend those nuggets, I'm going to Monkey Town. Monkey Town is a town where you can play games, where you can do activities, and is somewhere that you should visit after a NESSY lesson. And to do so is very simple. You just have to press on your avatar on the top left, and then it will ask you to go to Monkey Town. I will make a separate video on Monkey Town, as there is a lot in there and is definitely a great way to keep the pupil engaged. If you have any questions, I have my email address on the video description. Don't hesitate to send me an email. Hope this helps.